Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets opening with a very big gap down first of all, and then in the first 15-minute candle itself, there was a big momentum, and then throughout the day there was volatility, right? So over here, the market has opened, has become a little bit negative because of the global scenario or because of the global news itself, right? So what can you do over here, right? If you see, first of all, market is giving a momentum in the first candle, right? And then pretty much getting volatile throughout the day, right? So what can you do over here is very simple. Now, if the market has to go, market will not break these swing highs, right? Today there was a swing high of 44,100 that was made over here, right? Market will not break this swing high, and it will continue to move down from here itself, right? If the selling is fast. In the daily charts, if you see, market has made a new low. So now if it has to aggressively go down, tomorrow we can open flat, or we can open with a gap down, and we will continue this fall. We will never break the previous day's high, we'll just, and that swing will be protected, and then we can continue this fall, and market will continue to fall down, right? But if that is not happening, if the market is staying at this level for a long time, then market probably will go for a breakout, because there is also just give me a second. Yeah, because there is also this trend line on the upside that is coming, and most probably market can then recover, get near this trend line, and then break out above it, right? So if the market has to fall down, we will not open first of all with a very big gap up, right? A small gap up is fine, that is fine, not a big deal. But a very big gap up, any gap up above 44,000 will make the market positive from here, and then we can expect the market to move up. Because see, if the news is really bad, right? If the war news of Israel is really bad, then market will first of all not open with a big gap up, right? And then market will probably open flat or open with a big gap down and continue its move on the downside. So what can you do for tomorrow? First of all, if we open flat and start moving down, what we need is a closing below 43,800. Once we get a 5-minute closing below 43,800, then we can go ahead and take a short position till 43,600, right? Because then the market will continue this move on the downside, right? But make sure that the market is properly trading below 43,800 for 2 to 3 minutes, because what could happen is that market can come down over here, and then just go down over here, give a spike below 43,800, and then again start moving up. So that can happen, and if that happens, then probably your stop loss will get hit, and then you know you will take a loss for no reason. So if the market is trading below 43,800, then you can go ahead and take a short position, and for that you can wait for a 5-minute closing, as I said, below 43,800, and after that you can first of all keep a target of 43,600 and then 43,500. Once these levels are reached, then we'll probably look for a short-term pullback, and then we will again go ahead and go aggressively short on the downside, right? Another thing that if we open with a gap down, say somewhere near 43,750, 43,700, 43,600, then we'll wait for a pullback till 43,800, and then we'll go ahead and take a short position. If however we are not getting a pullback, and we are seeing that market is opening at 43,600 and it has started to make negative price action, then also we can go ahead and take a short position. But keep your quantity less, because market has already moved a lot, and chances are market may be open after opening at 43,600, it may go down more till 43,500 and then give a pullback, right? Because of which your stop loss will get hit. So if we are opening with a very big gap down and we are not seeing a pullback till today's closing or 43,800, then we will not go very aggressive on the selling side, because a lot of momentum has already happened. Then we'll wait for a pullback, and then we will sell aggressively, right? Over here, once the market reaches, after opening with a gap down, once the market reaches from 43,800 to 850, wait for some sort of a negative price action. Maybe market might come at this level and just consolidate over here and then break out on the upside, right? We don't know what the big institutions are thinking. Maybe the big institution might book all of their short positions over here, and then let the market, and then start making long positions, right? That can also happen. So once you see negative price action being built after market reaching over here, only then go ahead and take a short position. Do not take a short position instantly over here. If we are opening with a gap up above 44,000, then it is a positive sign for the market, but things will be a little bit volatile. But what you can do is that once you see positive price, say we open at 44,100, right? If you are seeing positive price action in this area being built, right, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade also from here. Your first target will be 44,200 and then second target will be 44,300. Do not keep big targets because things will be volatile if you open with a big gap up, right? Then we can keep big targets for the next day, for the next trading day. But for tomorrow, if we open with a big gap up, right, then we'll keep our target small, right? As I said, if we open with a gap up somewhere near 44,100, 44,000, all these levels, we'll wait for positive price action. And once we see positive price action in 5-minute chart, right, a higher high maybe, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. First target will be 44,200, second target will be 44,300. But as I said, there will be volatility, so keep your quantity a little bit less. Then we will we can go long aggressively on Wednesday or on Thursday, right? Talking about Nifty was definitely way more stronger today. And if you see, Nifty has given a bit of a negative closing over here, right? So tomorrow, if you open flat and start crossing today's low, that is 19,480, you can go ahead and take a short position. But the thing is, there is a good support of 19,450 over here. So maybe market might come down till 19,450, then take a big pullback and then again continue on the downside, right? So if we are taking a short position, you can go ahead and take a short position below 19,480, but below 19,480, that is today's low. Once we get a 5-minute closing, same as Bank Nifty, or if you are making negative price action in 1-minute chart, that is also something that you can see. Then you can go ahead and take a short position over here also in Nifty, but keep your stop loss tight, because if the market takes support, if the market really has to go down, market will not take a very big support from here. Market will probably stay over here, maybe near 19,450 for some time, and then break down and go down till 19,400, 19,320, all these levels, right? So keep your stop loss tight in Nifty also, because if market has to move down, it will move down very fast from here and it will not give you a very big pullback, right? If we, however, open with any sort of a gap up near 19,580 or above 19,570, 580 or above these levels, then things will be again positive, and then we can aim for a bullish trade over here also, right? Once we see positive price action above this zone over here, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 19,640 to 630 on the upside, because there is a trend line over here. So market might take a little bit of resistance and then consolidate in the zone and then probably break out after some time, right? So that is if you open with a big gap up. If you open with a small gap up, then still we will think about a bit of selling, right? Or if we are opening with a small gap up and if we are consolidating over here, then we will not sell. When will we sell is if we open with a small gap up and we are seeing selling in the first candle itself. That means then the sellers are aggressive. But if we are holding these levels, then we will not sell. Please make sure to keep that in mind. If these levels are being held, then please do not go ahead and sell, because then probably market will move up. Because if the selling has to happen, we'll see a big red candle like this itself tomorrow, because big institutions do not wait for, and sellers do not wait for anyone. They will take the market down in the first candle itself, and that is a momentum that you have to capture. But if the market is not going down fast, that means market is still not ready to go down, and probably market can move up from here, right? Always make sure that wherever the market might open, but make sure to see that the selling that is happening very fast, and if the market is holding these levels, if the market is not going down fast from these levels, then chances are market could recover and then close at higher levels, right? But as I said, today's highs are very important. If these highs are broken, then that means, or even if we are not moving down fast, right? Even if we are not moving down fast from here, then that means we probably can go ahead and take a recovery. Market can go ahead and recover from this fall, so very soon, right? And if you see, the US markets also have opened with a gap down, but they are still recovering right now, right? So as of now, things are not really looking that bad. But yes, we'll see how the market opens, and then we can take a trade accordingly, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Just keep one thing in mind, that if the selling has to happen, the selling will happen very fast, and you'll know that in probably the first 15 to 20 minutes. Just look at this price action. If you are seeing some big red candle like this being made tomorrow also, then that means market still wants to go down even more, and so you can go ahead and sell. But if you are seeing that market is holding itself at these levels, then you can go long from here also. But make sure that if you are going long, probably there could be volatility for a day or two, and then the market can go long. You can go long aggressively from here. So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.